Okay, Rusty James, quick update. In 3, 2, 1.
This isn't gonna be
Yeah.
what I want it to be.
So, putting on the new rotor hub assembly. Yeah, I had a little difficulty with this here initially. I don't think I got the seal on properly, but we'll come back to that. And then, yeah, so tightening down the nut and making sure she spins. Putting in the spacer, tightening her down again. Nice and tight. In goes the, what do you call those guys? Cotter pin. Still spins. That's good. I think at this point I end up moving the camera. Yep, and I forgot to turn it on while I was putting the caliper together. But there you go, calipers on, tighten down, calipers and brakes on. And yeah, I didn't film putting the little hub cap on there, but there you go, that's what it looks like. Right side, passenger side, drinker side, brakes finished. Well, rotor and caliper finished. Still have to put the lines on, brake lines on, and yada yada. Yep, and the springs, lower springs are in, done. Need to grease those fittings on each end of those. And so on the other side there, it's done too. All done. I still need to figure out about the stops for the, I took the stops off. Right there, that's it. I gotta figure out where that guy goes. So I'm saving it, because I think I can turn it around and put it facing to the front, but I have to pop the pin, old 15 pin in, out, turn it around. Anyway, yeah, the last step, try to get the grease, whatever I might have got on there, clean her up, clean up the brakes, little brake cleaner. Be careful, because there was a daub of grease somewhere on the bag, so get that out of the way. And yeah, clean up that disc. Spin her around, clean her up, front and back, whatever other stuff I might have on there. And there you go. Right front side brakes done. Installed caliper and rotor. Yep.
Sorted. All right. So got all that stuff back together. Kill that light back there a little bit bright. All right. So I don't have much space to show this. Typical what I'm doing, but I got the springs in, and the rake is pretty freaking cool. It is hot rod, but I'm concerned. Anybody know? Check out the bend on those springs, and I don't have the engine in here yet. So those are pretty much flat and arched up a little bit right there. So I'm a little concerned that those ain't gonna cut the mustard. Anybody want to, there's the other side. Hard to see, I know, because of the light, but that's the best I could do with the garage. but I don't have the engine in here, so it's sitting on its own weight. And I do, as I said, I like the rake. It definitely looks hot rod. I don't know if you can tell. Anyway, it's dropped significantly. And it's going to drop more, looks like. And I like the idea. But I'm going to have to make a sacrifice. My sweet hubcaps that I freaking love. Yeah, love these. But they ain't going to fit. That hub sticks out too far. So I don't know what I'm gonna do. Anyway, yeah, dang it. So I'm gonna have to sacrifice because they're dished. You know, that part sticks out too far, and that part don't stick out far enough. You can see right there, it rubs on my hubcap, and it's a damn shame. I love these. Anyway, I'm gonna have to sacrifice those, but yeah, I'm a little concerned. So if anybody knows about the springs, these are Posey 2 Posey springs that I got from Speedway. I may call Speedway Motors. I guess they're pretty good with their customer service. So, but yeah, I like the drop. It's low. It is low, so yeah. There's my hand right there to the ground. So, I don't know, 8 inches. I can get a tape measure, I suppose, but yeah, it dropped. It's significant front to back, which is cool. I like it. It's going to be a good drop all the way. It did drop 3 inches easy, but I think it's going to come down a little bit more, and therefore, as I said, I'm concerned about that ain't going to hold the engine. But anyway, gee whiz, moving to the back springs later today.